Sorry about that. I am sorry about that, guys. Running around like crazy. But hey, something from work that we're doing right now that I am very involved in is to create this channel that on YouTube, and we've been working on it, that focuses on diversity in architecture, training in architecture, and developing the next pipeline of architects, which is the mission of Flow Design Architects. So we're doing that by simply creating all of these different clips about the things that we do, the day to day. Also, clips about the events that we go to, like for children and things like that, like reading books to children about architecture, like Iggy Peck Architect, and putting it on the channel so that they can watch it. And on the other side, I teach a class Mondays and Tuesdays about how to pass the AREs, and that's that part of that. So then, regarding the AIA, I'm also part of the small firm exchange group, and I am doing a lot of the sort of media part on that, and monitoring and dealing with a lot of things. Like, I'm part of the small firm exchange for Massachusetts, but also for Maine, because Maine didn't have a board member, so I am the board member for both of them. It's been crazy to balance it all out, but it's working out. So that's something I'm very passionate about. Something I am doing personally too. I just launched a crypto channel where I talk to people about how to invest in not only crypto, actually, is investing in general, like real estate, our Airbnbs, crypto, stocks, investments in general. And it's been taking momentum. Actually has 200 followers, almost, actually 200 in it. I started last week, so it's pretty awesome. Yep. Then this brings me joy. Those little three ones. I mean, they are my everything. Those kids are my everything. It happens that every day they look more and more like me. On that picture, I don't have my glasses, but I do wear glasses, and two of them wear glasses already. So I think the little one also is destined to be part of that. Just by looking at how she squints her eyes, you can tell that she's also gonna be wearing glasses. So the architect's curse is in them too. So, but I love them. They're my everything. Everything. It's about them. So that brings me a lot of joy. And of course, this is something personally that I took it on since I launched Flow, and it is to increase diversity in the field of architecture. So again, I'm bringing that back. This is like a personal mission, and I try to, in every way, shape, or form, just do something that will trigger that change. And it's either by hiring, training. We just came back today from a daycare, all of us, where we were talking to kids about architecture and design, and we did it in English and Spanish, which was really fun to read Iggy Peck Architect in English and Spanish. So that was pretty cool. And it's all around that. So I try to stay. That's why I'm here too. That's why I'm part of this group, just to bring that little bit of diversity and flow into everything.